Hi everyone, what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be playing up with the Seicento headlights. This is UK version, European version, so basically this one sticks out. And I had that one for a long time, but 2 nights ago my car had an argument with a tree when I was going to work. The tree fell down and eventually I hit it. There was no chance of stopping it. And so I have this one, which is broken. The light, the plastic are gone inside. It's unrepairable. Well, need to get the bits for it, but it's quick and easy, and it's a Fiat genuine as well. So what's the plan? Gonna bake the lights, bake that one in, bake it, remove that glass, use that glass on that one because the internal part is very good condition. It's brand new, literally 4 months old. That one internal is burned, but the glass is good. So the glass gonna go here, and we'll have an accurate beam on the car, which will make things way better. So let's get into it. So when you're doing a swap like that, you have to remove metal clips here, 1, 2, 3, and then go around with the screwdriver to remove it, de-stick it from the glue all the way around. Apparently maybe there's another one under it, and obviously remove that plastic, and then do the same thing with that one. Then use the sealant. I don't know what kind of sealant this, but it's flexible and it's sticky. So anyway, I use a tiger glue, silicone glue, which is used for mounting windscreens in the cars. That should do the job, and that will be it. So I will show you when I remove that broken glass. So the light is in 140, 120 each degrees. Give it a take 10-15, give it 15 minutes, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Doing this first time, so it's a learning process. Don't have much to lose, but I could just remove the internal lens and put in the other one, but the problem is you got these latches which holds the adjuster, and it's a single use. You try to pull it out, will snap. So the quickest way is just get that one out, remount the other one, put it back in the car, and hopefully that's gonna work. Because in UK you cannot get, well, really impossible to get front headlights brand new for Fiat Seicento. I managed to get one brand new one, old stock. It took me 7 months to find it, brand new. Anyone you can find on eBay, anywhere else, the kind of junk already. The lens inside is burned out and is no good. Well, you pretty much seeing that much like you're seeing nothing. So I wanna having big hopes in that lens that I can remount the glass and enjoy the correct angle beam on the roads, so there won't be any more problems. But I kind of like it, left and right. It makes your road, when you're driving, you have like an angle upwards, and then you have a straight line angle upwards, so it's giving you more option, more vision. But the other drivers don't like it, and no one really bothered, but got broken. Life things happens, so got smashed by the tree. I was driving to work 11 o'clock at night, and the tree, literally the whole tree went down. Huge tree, and luckily it fall down from the right side to the left, and I just hit the top of the tree, the crown. Didn't went for the bottom, because if I went for the bottom then there won't be nothing left, probably there will be loads of damage and beyond the repairable point of Mr. B. But got lucky, and it's time to fix it, save it, whatever I can. So we got one out. Actually 140 degrees is ideal temperature. It just moved away from it, and yeah, it's out now. So let's get to the second one. Light number 2 is already in. That one is out, so I'll let that one cool down so I can touch it because it's too much freaking hot. So, and then I'll remove that one, let it cool down, clean the glass, clean the light, and then put 2 parts separate into the oven so they heat up equally. Pull them out, slam that one on because I see a fair amount of silicone around it, so it should be good enough. And then put the clips on, leave it to cool down, and we'll be done. The only mistake which I done, I forgot to take the rubber, and now it looks like a lava, so it's no good anymore. Maybe I can somehow put it back in, but it literally baked, so a small problem. That's fine. I should have some of them around laying somewhere, so I have to look for it. That's for the taking the moisture or evaporating moisture from the light. So this one got cracked because it was on it, and obviously heat shrinks things, so I will be maybe able to use this side then. Shall we see? Another 20 minutes, now I'm gonna be ready and we're gonna go for it again. So the whole process should take around an hour, but this has to cool down because there's plenty of glass inside from the broken light, so I have to clean that off with a brush, pencil brush or something, and then wait until it cools down, put everything together, and we're gonna have a good light again. Yay! So yeah, second light is off. Obviously it's still hot. That one, you can see the difference between that one, the new one, and the old one. It's kind of, see, doesn't reflect that very well anymore. It's kind of faded, burned out, and this one is nice and shiny. Oh, as you can see it very well there. Kind of foggy. Try to clean it. So now the plan is the lens has to cool down, wash it inside, it's dusty a bit, and then put 2 parts back in the oven, bake it, clip it on, and leave it. But in the meantime, have a break for a beer, a cold one. Give it 10 minutes, finish my beer, and I will come back to it. So far the process is going very well, and actually doing the second light you don't have to wait 20 minutes. It's 140 degrees, 10 minutes max, and literally just peels apart so easily. So yeah, 10 minutes, 140 degrees, oven on the air circulation, and you're good. So yeah, the light been disassembled, the lens been washed, and now heating it up back to 140-ish degrees. Get the glue bit melted, put this together, put the clips on, job done. So yeah, what I decided to do, I put that on, was kind of not really warm, but put the metal clips. So as it's gonna be melting now, the clip's gonna push that in together, and then I'll take a towel, squeeze it around, let it cool down, and we'll be good to go. So 10 minutes from now on and we'll be all done. It's nice and shiny, like a brand new. Never involved in the accident. Good to have spare bits. Even then, kind of halfway broken, useless. But that way, I have a genuine Fiat lens now. Oh, we reached the temperature. So 10 minutes from now on will be good. So that's the finished product. Clips on, still Still warm, not really touchable much. Don't know, but yeah, looks good, and I'm very happy with it. The reflection gonna be nice, because I can tell you can't see on the camera, but it's hard to get it. Oh, now you can see. And the glass was very good condition as well. So we have a nice light. So I was able to save it and somehow restore it to the new condition, and now will be correct as its UK right hand drive from the donor light. That's it for now. See ya guys, catch you soon, hope you liked it, bye.